Create a marketing strategy. Creating a marketing strategy for a small business can be difficult. There are many things to consider, such as what type of marketing to use, who your target audience is, and how much money you have to spend. The following are some tips for creating a marketing strategy for a small business. Figure out your budget. How much money can you afford to spend on marketing? This will help determine which types of marketing are available to you. Determine your target audience. Who do you want to reach with your marketing? Knowing your target audience will help you determine what type of marketing is most effective. Choose the right marketing mix. There are many different types of marketing, such as online marketing, traditional advertising, and PR. Choose the ones that will reach your target audience and fit within your budget. Plan. Creating a detailed marketing plan is essential for any successful campaign. Make sure to include timelines, budgets, and goals so you can track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.